What's the meaning of Canada goose? Canada goose. Canada goose.
Canada goose. Canada goose. Canada goose refers to a species of large wild geese native to North America. They are known for their distinctive black head and neck, white cheek patches, and brownish-gray body. The birds are commonly found near bodies of water and grassy areas, and are known for their long migrations. In recent years, the popularity of Canada Goose brand jackets, which use the bird as a logo and source of down filling, has caused controversy due to animal welfare concerns.